welcome to my channel, and this is a new segment called Workout Wednesday. Here we're going to help you to stay fit in a fun, seamless, and most importantly, affordable way. So I recently started a skipping club on Facebook called Workout Wednesday, the Skipping Club, where fitness enthusiasts come together and motivate each other to work out and stay healthy consistently, you get. So I'm hoping all of you sign up and join the club. So guys, in the skipping club, everybody's supposed to know how to skip, right? Well, some people assume the wrong posture, and because of that, they end up exerting too much energy, invariably hurting their knees, falling off, developing a low back pain, or using the rope to hit themselves consistently and developing injuries and scars all around them. So I will teach you the right way that you can skip so you don't end up hurting yourself. So we're going to practice this using a double jump. So if you haven't done this in a while, before using a rope, I would advise that you practice without using a rope, the jumps and the hand movement. When you feel ready to start, grab those ropes and adjust it until it is suitable for you. It shouldn't be too long or too short. Personally, I just stand on it and make sure the ends are just underneath my breast. Stand upright without bending forward or punching your back. Jump on your toes and not on your full feet. Avoid jumping too high, as your feet is supposed to be just about 1 to 2 inches off the ground to enable the rope slide through. Rotate the rope from your wrist and not your shoulders. Keep your feet together at all times. Try to place your hands near the front of your hip bones and avoid spreading it too far apart. Besides looking funny, it makes the rope too short and slows the rope down. So you can start by targeting to get 5 jumps right, after which you can proceed to 10, 15, 20 until you get to your target. Don't forget, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So for those of us who are still unsure if to start skipping or not and how to go about it, in subsequent episodes I will talk to you about the pros and cons of skipping, how to get the right ropes, and if you should even skip or not. More episodes ranging from how to live healthy in the cheapest possible way, how to skip to lose weight, how to eat to lose weight, and a whole lot more will be coming your way. So to not miss out, do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Stay fit, stay healthy, and I'll see you next week, Workout Wednesday.